Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that will help you to speak English during breakfast. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Good morning. Would you like some coffee? How about some toast with butter and jam? Would you prefer scrambled or boiled eggs? Do you like your pancakes with syrup or honey? I'm having oatmeal for breakfast. Would you like some too? Have you tried this yogurt before? It's delicious. Can you pass me the milk, please? This fried egg is crispy and delicious. Do you like your coffee with cream or do you prefer black coffee? I love having fresh fruit with my breakfast. Do you prefer white or wheat toast? I'm making a breakfast sandwich with eggs, cheese and sausage. Have you tried this granola? It's my favorite. Can you help me peel this orange? Would you like some orange juice or grapefruit juice? This bagel with cream cheese is delicious. I am having a bowl of cereal with almond milk. Would you like a muffin with your coffee? I like having a smoothie for breakfast. Do you? How do you like your eggs cooked? I am having a breakfast burrito. Do you want to try it? Can you pass me the salt and pepper, please? Would you like some tea with your breakfast? I am having a breakfast parfait. Want to try it? Can you help me scramble these eggs? Do you prefer egg or sausage for breakfast? Would you like some fruit salad? This cinnamon roll is so good. Want to share it with me? I like having a bagel with smoked salmon for breakfast. Can you help me flip this pancake? I'm having a smoothie bowl with fruit and granola. Would you like some toast with avocado? This breakfast sandwich with sausage, egg and cheese is delicious. Can you help me make some waffles? I'm having a breakfast wrap with eggs and vegetables. Do you prefer coffee or tea for breakfast? Would you like some hash browns with your breakfast? This omelette is filled with cheese and vegetables. Want to try it? I like having a breakfast bowl with eggs, rice and beans. Can you help me make some French toast? Would you like some homemade jam with your toast? I am having a breakfast pizza. Do you want a slice? How about some fresh squeezed orange juice? Do you like having a smoothie for breakfast too? Would you like some hot sauce with your eggs? I am having a breakfast quesadilla. Want to share it? Can you help me cook these sausages? This banana bread is so good. Want a slice? I like having a breakfast bowl with Greek yogurt, fruits and nuts. Would you like some cream cheese with your bagel? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.